Can you multiply these two numbers in just 10 seconds? Why not? Everything is possible. Before we start, let's try to understand with some smaller numbers. Remember that this method is applicable only for 9, 99, 999 and so on. Now 8 into 9. Here simply write the value 8 minus 1, which is 7. Now 9 minus 7, which is 2. So the result is 72. Now 45 into 99. Here 45 minus 1, which is 44. Now 99 minus 44, which is 55. Now 999 into 458. 458 minus 1, which is 457, and 999 minus 457, which is 542. So the result is 457542. So now let's try with these numbers. 3526 minus 1, which is 3525, and now 9999 minus 3525, which is 6474. So the result is 35256474.